Hello everyone, welcome back to Gesya Technology. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share a solution to fix a Windows problem where the computer is not connected to the internet and shows a no internet access message. Don't worry, just follow these steps carefully and don't skip anything so you don't miss an important step. As you can see, the network status shows no internet. I tried connecting to another SSID, but it failed. I reconnected to the previous SSID, and it still didn't work. Now, let's fix it. Step-by-step solution. First, right-click the Windows logo. Then, select Computer Management. Next, open Device Manager. Second, expand network adapters. Third, right-click Intel or dual-band wireless AC 8265. Then select Uninstall device. Click Uninstall again to confirm. After that, close all windows and restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, let's check the Wi-Fi connection. Turn the Wi-Fi toggle back on, then reconnect to the previously used And success! The Wi-Fi is connected again. Now let's test the connection. Open Google Chrome. Type google.com. Then try opening detik.com. As you can see, the internet connection is working normally again. That means your laptop is now successfully connected to the internet. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.